Welcome to our fruit powder factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how 20 tons of fresh lemons are transformed into premium lemon powder.
We have the 20 tons accounted for.
Send the next crate to line 3.
Massive industrial crushers and extractors work tirelessly, processing thousands of lemons every hour.
Every batch is processed to preserve flavor, aroma, and nutritional quality.
Every batch is tested before being shipped worldwide.
And that's how 20 tons of fresh lemons are transformed into premium lemon powder used around the world.